What's that, Josh?
Death.
Death. That's a jalapeno from my garden, and he just ate it.
He's trying to hold it in. Josh, why are your eyes watering? Josh, why you didn't start to cry?
You won't eat another one, no balls. You won't eat another
I dare you. I triple dog fucking two.
Dude. Oh my god. Oh, dude, he is high.
His asshole.
He is high or something, dude.
His asshole will fucking burn. Your butthole's gonna burn, you know, right? When you take a dump tomorrow, oh, it's gonna burn.
Yeah, eat another
It's
one.
gonna be like pooping out
Oh my god,
devil's
dude.
foot.
Dude, eat like 5 more.
No, see, we have to wait till your dad gets here and watch him. Let him eat it.
Oh god.
Yeah, look at him. He wants to do his gum right now. He's like, fuck the jalapenos.
New text message!
Uh-oh.
Oh, your dad. Right?
Is it hot?
No, it's hot.
Oh god. There's no milk, guy. There's no milk, Josh. Dude, no. Pour it in a cup or something, dude.
Josh, sure it's not still hot? Hot, Josh? Josh, is it hot?
No.
Yeah, it is my
You're
freaking
fucking
ass.
crying
Dude.
and sniffling your nose. Come on now. It's fucking... It's hot. Just admit it. You know it's hot. You just trying to be a big tough guy.
I know I'm hot.
Ooh, yeah.
Sell it to YouTube. What? Drink some soy sauce.
Want me to?
You won't. Eat some more peppers.